What's up? This is Damns It All, the show about the USACE mission and why it's important. Well, it's been a while since we've talked, and if you've stuck around this whole time, thank you so much. Such a little sweetheart. But if you're new to the program, then I just hope you like what we're trying to do here. Talk about America's infrastructure and the people behind it. People are out there right now enjoying the waters in our reservoirs, but that water is used for a bunch of different things, and we're going to break it all down for you here in a few minutes. But first, I want to give you a little update about what me and the family have been up to the last few months. It's been so long since we hung out. My oldest daughter, Callie, is a high school graduate now. She was a great student, so it's hardly a surprise, but I have to admit it's pretty strange having an 18-year-old high school graduate walking around the house now. Her life is her own now, and it's gonna be really interesting to see what she does with it. Our baby girl Izzy just finished her sophomore year, and she decided to play rugby of all things. There aren't a lot of rugby players here in the United States, but I did get a chance to play some while I was in the Army. So it was a blast watching her play a sport that's really for tough people. I mean, every match it feels like you got into a fist fight. She was a fast learner and won a couple Ladies of the Match awards, plus her team won the championship. So proud of my little rugger. Heidi, my wife Heidi, and I have had a bunch of date nights lately, watching the former Oakland Athletics play at our tiny little ballpark here in Sacramento. It's been amazing to watch all the major leaguers like up close and personal. I mean, we're like right there, the field's so small. But I have to say all the other teams are making our park look like a Little League field. I mean, they're hitting home runs left and right. It's driving me crazy, they're killing us. And if you're wondering about the dog and the cat, they still have no idea whether or not they want to be in or out, and it's driving me to the brink of insanity. But something that gives me a few moments of zen is swimming in nature. I love it. And the colder the water, the better. And if you too enjoy going for a dip or jumping on a boat or trying to trick a fish to think that your hook is food, well then you're gonna wanna know how much water's in the lakes before you go. And that's what we're gonna talk about today. So at the Portland District, our website has this interactive graph that tells you how much water there is in each of our reservoirs. It links to these graphs that provide even more information. We made a short video that explains how to use this information to get the current water levels, and I put a link to that in the description. Many other USACE districts have similar resources for water levels, like this one from Little Rock or this one from the Great Lakes. So the first step is to search the web for water levels at the specific lake that you're trying to visit. The next thing you can do is just pick up the phone and call the rangers and simply ask them. They know these facilities better than anybody. So they'll be your best source to tell you if that boat launch is in the water or if your favorite swimming spot is open. Now you may only use our reservoirs for recreation, but that water has a lot of different uses, including farming, hydropower, fish health, and flood risk reduction. That's why our lake levels can fluctuate so dramatically. It's a year-round balancing act between science, safety, and the needs of the community. We just held a public information meeting a few weeks ago that explains the water levels at the reservoirs in the Willamette Valley. And in that meeting, our experts explain how it all works. So if you want to do a deep dive into water levels and how we get those numbers, I put a link to that video in the description. All right, thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found this video helpful, or even if you didn't really. It all helps. For USACE Portland, I'm Luke Burns. Boy!